Dashboard. Today I'd like to quickly go over with you a quick demo on how to create a report and enjoy all the functionalities of the Improvado dashboard. Your first step would be to arrive at the data sources page here on the left hand side. You can navigate through across all the different tabs, but at the data sources page is really the core of connecting all of your different various ad platforms. We have over 35 API integrations, and we're connected with all major social search and display platforms. And it's very simple to connect. All you have to do is hit any of these connect buttons, use your login information, and all your ad campaign data will now be connected to Improvado. Next step would be to create a report. Here you can name your report whatever you'd like, hit create report. Instantly, when you sign into your report, you'll be prompted to connect reports and information from the different platforms that you are connected to. So the first step would be go into the ad platform itself, select which ad campaign you want to add, and you can choose to add the account completely or choose some specific paused or live campaigns. I recommend adding the account completely so you don't have to worry too much about if you've caught all historical data or not. The second step is, once you've connected all your data sources and the correct campaigns from each data sources, you want to start building out the report. So you can do that by either clicking on the Add Default Widgets button, which will generally just populate a set of charts, or you can go into Add Widgets specifically, go into the wizard. You can choose to select any different type of data visuals that are really available here, different types of charts, tables, and so on. So if I want to create a chart, I can go into this, click Next. Let's skip forward to a pre-populated report. Here you can see that using the widget constructor, we've come up with multiple different ways to display the data in your ad platforms. We have high-level summaries, pie charts, line graphs, tables, and even the ability to upload creatives and images so that you could do additional analysis. If you'd like to edit any of the widgets, simply go to the settings wheel, click Edit Widget to rename, choose the different data sources, or maybe change the colors. You can also resize it to make any type of chart larger. And then feel free to move it up and down or delete the widget itself if you'd like to change where it is in the report. Another way you could take advantage of displaying data is by creating different tabs to display different types of data. And you can do that by simply clicking Add Tab. And through this, you can do different things like creating a quarterly report and displaying the dates here and different types of unique charts as to what's important to you. Once your report has been established, it'll be really key for you to configure your metrics and make sure that each of the metrics that are displayed here align with your definition of that metric itself. So go ahead and click on Configure Metrics, go into each of the different platforms, such as Facebook, for example, and you can see here directly we can choose for spend any of the different type of spend metrics that are available in the Facebook platform, impressions as well, clicks, conversions. This way you have the flexibility of choosing any different type of custom conversion or metric you've created in the dashboard itself and display it within your data. Here is also an area where you can choose Google Analytics as a source to actually display a specific metric from Google Analytics. So if you want to count your conversions from Google Analytics for Facebook, you can do that by defining it directly here and hitting Apply. Thank you so much for joining me today. This was a really short demo, but if you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact our sales team. Contact us directly at support@improvado.io. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.